The 2025 MG P9 electric vehicle is making headlines for all the right reasons. Designed as a twin to the Maxus e-Tron and produced under the SAIC umbrella, this four-door electric pickup blends utility, innovation, and a strong focus on safety. Euro NCAP has given this model a strong overall rating based on tests conducted on its counterpart, and the numbers speak for themselves. When it comes to protecting adult occupants, the MG P9 electric vehicle earned a score of 91%. In frontal impact tests, the cabin remained stable with dummies showing excellent protection across key body areas. Lateral impact results were also impressive, securing full points, and rear impact scores confirmed that head and neck protection against whiplash was well handled. With a curb weight of 2,889 kilograms, the P9 is a solid and stable vehicle which contributes to its positive crash performance. Child safety was another strong point. Scoring 85%, the vehicle offers excellent protection for 6 and 10-year-old dummies in both frontal and side collisions. All common child restraint systems fit securely, with the exception of the eye-sized restraint in the rear center. The MG P9 electric vehicle also features a child presence detection system that alerts the driver if a child is left behind. For those concerned about vulnerable road users, like pedestrians and cyclists, the P9 electric vehicle scored 84%. The vehicle's autonomous emergency braking system reacts quickly to people walking, biking, or even to motorcyclists, and includes cyclist dooring prevention. It also delivers strong protection for the pelvis, legs, and head in impact scenarios. Although the edges of the bonnet and windscreen pillars had weaker results, safety assist technologies are plentiful. Scoring 83% in this category, the MG P9 electric vehicle includes lane assist, intelligent speed assistance, fatigue and distraction detection, and autonomous emergency braking for car-to-car collisions. Whether it is preventing drift out of a lane or responding to sudden braking ahead, the system works effectively using both camera and radar inputs. The MG P9 electric vehicle sets a new benchmark in the electric pickup segment. It is not just about moving away from fossil fuels, it is about making that move with top-tier safety and smart design in mind. If this is what the future of utility vehicles looks like, then the road ahead is promising. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on cutting-edge vehicles like the MG P9 electric vehicle.